Yeah. This ain't a pantomime, nah. Real shit, man, I advertise. Don't worry, I can handle mine, cause to a gangster, this is paradise. 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 To a gangster, this is paradise. Paradise. Yeah. Paradise. Yeah, it's paradise. Used to be cartoons you would watch, and you was cool with a Casio watch. Then the Yodas came round and you watch them get all the money, girls chains on the watch. Bumped into one of them and somehow it's beef. Now you're thinking, I'm gonna get his don't. Who he's with, they will stand there and watch. But you can get a 30 now even if you watch. Now you're in jail living in a square box, or dead rotting in a square box. From young didn't wanna get boxed, and never trying to ring around for the box. When you think about it, man, I'm shocked. But it's on normal, bro, now shots ain't a shock. Back in the day I was watching a rock, now I see man going mad with a rock. This ain't a pantomime, real shit, man, I advertise. Young youths rolling around with nines, to the judge that's man with nine. Jail's full, couple man inside, but it's cold and it's mad outside. 2 shots turn man portal guys, but don't worry, I can handle mine.
It seems like everything's calm, 2 dates with a metal on the arm. Bang guns, didn't even know what's on. The life we living's haram, those posing and living in a barn. Some man turn to Quran, some man turn to the Bible. Some man give up and try go farm. Get rich, die, try to add on my arm. Rich and famous don't come round here, crawling in the streets, started in an arm. I know you relate, it's busy, the phone stay busy, we still chase gazette. Wow, don't mind war, get a U1 paper. Living in the belly of the beast when everybody eats. Get rich, die, try later. So for now,
this ain't a pantomime, real shit, man, I advertise. Young youths rolling around with nines, to the judge that's man with 9. Jail's full, couple man inside, but it's cold and it's mad outside. 2 shots turn man portal guys, but don't worry, I can handle mine, cause to a gangster, this is paradise. 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 To a gangster, this is paradise. 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 Paradise.
all these Egypt YouTube gangsters acting bad through internet surfers, talking crack but don't even surface, chilling indoors eating pussy and burgers. Are you bad but still move nervous? Are you a boss but ain't got workers? Are you a shooter with no burners, with no Wi-Fi, you got no purpose? Quiet and calm but still move gangster, run man down with the head top turner. Still acting stuff up for earners, run through bandos, rap your workers. Truth in the booth but I'm not no actor, far from the best but blood I'm a murker. For them man I can't be a saver, that one's air I'm a OG member. They don't know this life we're living, man I might roll up and wig him. Nah, I don't care who's with him, I know my team and everyone's G's. Man might pull up and squeeze. I was doing backlean trying to duck feds, like I don't know what them snitches said. Off with the cranium, off with the legs. I'll tell you from now I don't owe man none, nor does my gang either. Don't let them feelings go to your head, you're just pissed off your team's dead. Back at the fizzy you won't see your head.
Violent mama run, empty Android.
This ain't a pantomime, real shit man I advertise. Young youths rolling around with nines, to the judge that's man with 9. Jail's full, couple man inside, but it's cold and it's mad outside. 2 shots turn man portal guys, but don't worry I can handle mine.
I don't give a shit if your whip is German. Been putting in more work than a Polish. No Grand Daily or SPTV when I was giving out food to the homeless. Man just wanna do shit for the camera, but they don't wanna go shop for their grandma. Pose with girls that you post on Insta, but going on when you own your wanker. OG still roll deep like manga. Back chat getting MC a backhander. Backstage having tear ups at Eski. Peek back to the man name is Banter. Trust me you don't wanna live round here. It's a nightmare keeping your wig round here. Been running around from I was a kid round here. Call me Little D but I'm big round
here. This
here.
ain't a pantomime, real shit man I advertise. Young youths rolling around with nines, to the judge that's man with 9. Jail's full, couple man inside, but it's cold and it's mad outside. 2 shots turn man portal guys, but don't worry I can handle mine, cause to a gangster this is paradise. 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 To a gangster this is paradise. 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 Paradise.